Okay, for dinner last night, I decided to make some steaks indoor because we didn't have time to do the outside grill. That is my favorite marinade, Allegro. I use it for everything, my deer meat, everything. I added some of that HEB seasoning and some more Worcestershire sauce, some Italian seasonings. Put the steaks in, covered them with saran wrap, and put them in the fridge all day to marinate. Chopped some potatoes, put them on a medium heat to come to a low boil. Made some Bush's baked beans. Like I said, I was going for easy, so I wanted easy sides. I had those going while I got the steaks going on the indoor grill. We cooked them to about 135 because we like a medium rare steak. Once the potatoes were tender enough in the middle, I drained them so that I could mash them. I added a stick of butter, some milk, salt, pepper, and mashed them with a hand masher until they were really, really, really soft because we don't like any kind of lumpy potatoes. We like our potatoes with cheese and bacon on the top too, because, kind of like the restaurants do, the loaded mashed potatoes. My kids love cracked mac and cheese, so I made some of that. And like I said, easy sides, that's what my steaks look like, that's my plate, and that's what my steak looked like in the middle.